And now, from the popular comic strip Peanuts, here are Charlie Brown and his friends.
Go ahead. Name another wagon that's easier to own than the new Falcon wagon. Or easier to park. Or easier to load. Name a wagon that's easier to drive. Or easier on gas. Or...
For over 30 years, this is the only wagon that has outsold Ford wagons. And now Ford has 2 new wagons, all new Falcon wagons, a handy 2-door and a smart-looking 4-door.
My wagon doesn't have any doors.
Well, that's one reason why maybe you should own a Falcon wagon. Another reason is the price. Look.
I can't read.
Well, it says that the Falcon wagon is America's lowest-priced 6-passenger wagon.
Oh, my wagon costs $6.50.
Well, a Falcon wagon costs a little more than that, but it gives you so much more, like all this load space, for example.
It's very big inside.
You bet. The Falcon wagon has the longest load space of any compact wagon, over 7 feet long.
7 feet? That's bigger than I am.
That's bigger than anybody is. And with the rear seat up, there's plenty of room for 6 big people. You can carry the whole family in a Falcon wagon.
I don't have any family. I'm not married.
Oh, I see. Well, how about savings, then? A Falcon wagon will deliver up to 30 miles to the gallon and go 4,000 miles between oil changes. That'll save you lots of money.
I don't have any money either.
Oh.
But I want you to know I think they're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. The new Falcon wagons from Ford, America's station wagon specialists, are on display now at your Ford dealer's Wagon Wonderland.